User-generated content, UGC, is content created by your audience, such as reviews, photos, and videos. UGC can be a powerful tool for engaging your audience and building brand loyalty. When you share UGC, it shows that you value and appreciate your customers' contributions. Sharing UGC can also encourage other users to create content, thus increasing brand engagement. 7. Experiment with different content formats. Social media allows you to experiment with different content formats to find what works best for your brand. You can create posts, stories, live videos, podcasts, and more. Experiment with different content formats to find what resonates with your audience and drives the most engagement. However, ensure that the content aligns with your brand messaging and is on brand. 8. Use social media analytics. Social media analytics provides valuable insights into your content performance, audience behavior, and engagement levels. It allows you to track your social media metrics, such as likes, shares, comments, and clicks. Using social media analytics can help you understand what content resonates with your audience and what needs improvement. It can also guide your content strategy and help you create content that drives base results. 9. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way conversation, and it's essential to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. It shows that you value your audience's feedback and care about their opinions. When you engage with your audience, it can help build brand loyalty and foster a sense of community. You can also use their feedback to improve your content and better serve their needs. 10. Be consistent. Consistency is vital for social media success. Your audience expects to hear from you regularly and to receive content that aligns with your brand's messaging. Create a content calendar and plan your content in advance to ensure that you are posting regularly and consistently. Consistency can help you build your brand reputation, increase engagement, and drive more traffic to your website. 11. Create a call to action. A call to action, CTA, is a prompt that encourages your audience to take action, such as visiting your website, downloading content, or making a purchase. Including a CTA in your social media content can increase engagement and conversion rates. Make sure your CTA is clear, concise, and relevant to your audience's interests. Use action verbs and create a sense of urgency to prompt immediate action. 12. Offer value. Your social media content should offer value to your audience. It shouldn't always be about promoting your products and services. Provide educational, informative, or entertaining content that your audience will find useful and engaging. By offering value, you can build trust with your audience and position your brand as a thought leader in your industry. Providing value can also increase your followers and improve your social media reputation. 13. Stay up to date with trends. Social media is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and changes. Follow social media influencers, join online communities, and read industry blogs to stay informed and inspired.